But basically, anytime Menards is running one of these discounts, you can get a matching discount at Home Depot. Today, I just wanted to share a huge money-saving tip with you that I feel like everybody should know, but it's like this secret of Home Depot that a lot of people don't know. And I recently shared it with two friends of mine and they had never heard of it and I couldn't believe it. I've been meaning to make this video for a while, so I'm finally sitting down because I actually have two recent Home Depot receipts to do this with. And I thought, oh my gosh, I just should film this and share this with you because everybody needs to know this trick. So this is how you're gonna save a ton of money at Home Depot. You are just gonna die when you see how easy this is. Hi guys, welcome back to Simple and Healthy Mama. I'm Kate. If you're new here, thanks for joining us. If you're back, thanks for coming back. So while I'm thinking of it, do me a favor. Could you please hit like and subscribe below if you haven't already? So Menards almost constantly runs an 11% off rebate. This might only work in places that also have Menards. Do you guys know what Menards is? It's like Home Depot. It's a very similar store. So we have Lowe's, Home Depot, and Menards. Those are the chain stores that have that sort of home improvement products, hardware stuff that are bigger than just the little mom and pop hardware stores. So when you go to Menards, when you buy something, you then have to pick up a little slip. They have a rebate receipt on the bottom, so you rip that off. You mail in your rebate receipts with that little voucher, and they will send you Menards gift cards that you can then use for store credit on anything, which is absolutely fabulous. They're almost always running one of these 11% off rebate deals. At the end of the year, toward the holidays, they stop doing them. So there's a little time there where this isn't gonna work. But basically, anytime Menards is running one of these discounts, you can get a matching discount at Home Depot. And filling out the Home Depot one is even easier because you don't actually have to send in your receipts in the mail, you fill it out online. So all you need for this to save 11% every time you shop at Home Depot are your recent Home Depot receipts and something with internet. So I'm gonna show you how you do this. It's super easy. It's Home Depot Rebates 11, the numerals 11, 11%.com. Home Depot Rebates 11%.com with the 11 being numerals. You just enter your purchase date. For me, this was 8/7/22. These are both 8/7/22, but I'm gonna have to enter them separately. So I'll start with this one. You're gonna hit continue here on the side. It explains the details. You're just gonna hit continue again. Then on this screen, you're gonna enter your receipt number, which is right here, 2845. Then you're just gonna enter your total amount. So go right down to total, $28.90, and hit continue. I like to get it in a physical gift card. That works for us. We managed to use them then. You can also choose to get it in an e-gift card. Then it'll bring you to a page where you just enter your information. It remembers all of mine. So the only thing I have to do after I autofill is uncheck the box that says, yes, I would like to receive email offers from the Home Depot, because you know what? I really don't. We spend all of our extra money there anyway. I don't need to be encouraged to spend even more money there. So I uncheck that box so I don't get entered onto their email list, but even that honestly would be worth it. You can get off the list. Just make sure you do it the second it comes, the very first time, so that you're not just on it forever and being pestered by them. Then you hit continue again. Then you're gonna review it and just hit submit. It says thank you, and it gives me a tracking number. I don't even think about it again. I don't check and make sure that I got them back. They've been really consistent for us. I suppose if it was a really large amount, I might keep my tracking number and make sure that I got that one, but a lot of ours are just small amounts and then they add up. So if we have, we get a rebate for $2.89 and then we get a rebate for $16 and $4 and $2. We bring all those and spend them on something, and it's been really helpful for us. We do a lot of DIY home reno, and we have saved so much money this way. I don't even know, and I mean that literally, I don't even know how much we have spent on DIY home reno, but I really like that we've saved a ton of money as long as we're gonna spend that much money at Menards and Home Depot. It's nice to get the 11% off. Now, if you check and they're not having an 11% rebate at Menards, and so Home Depot is not doing the match, I think that's fine if you're just gonna buy something small, but if you're gonna purchase something a little larger and spend a lot of money, it makes sense to just wait until they're running it again, because they literally run it almost all the time. So for example, we knew we were gonna buy the stone veneer that we wanted to put on our outdoor kitchen and outdoor fire pit, and that was gonna be a good chunk of money. So we waited until we knew that they were having the 11% rebate. And honestly, I don't even remember if that was from Menards or from Home Depot, but it was from one of them, and we got 11% off, because I wasn't going to buy it on a week that wasn't happening, when I knew I was going to spend a chunk of money. Then the nice thing is, as we're doing the project, we need more materials. We've already got a gift card we can go use and save even more money. When you're finished, if you have more receipts, then when you get to this thank you page with the tracking number, if you go ahead and scroll down, you can print your rebate summary. I don't do that. Or you can click start another rebate. I'm gonna do that, and I'm gonna enter the same date. It was what, 8/7 or 7/8? 8/7. 2022, hit continue. I'm gonna do this one normal speed so you can kind of see how long it takes me. Then I enter my receipt number. I should probably enter the other one. Of course, I can't do that and talk to you at the same time. Okay, got that in. Then we're gonna enter the total amount paid. Hit continue. I'm gonna select physical gift card, hit continue, autofill all my stuff because I've been here before. Unclick that I want to receive emails. I don't. Hit continue, use recommended address, review and submit, and I have another tracking number, just like that. So that's how long it takes me once I've already entered my information the first time. That's how long it will take you to submit these. And then you still get to keep your receipts. You do with Menards too. It's just that you clip off the bottom. They actually have a separate rebate receipt. That's what I was trying to say earlier that I bumbled, but you know what I mean. So guys, try this. It has saved us so much money. I think like most of our disposable income the last 4 years that we've owned a house has gone into our house. And somewhere along the way, our tile guy, one of the few things that we didn't do ourselves was some tile work. Our tile guy gave us this tip, and oh my gosh, so much money. And the people that I shared this with this week were so grateful, and I thought, I have to share this with my viewers. So you're welcome. So I hope this helps. I hope that you shop at Home Depot and that you can use this. If you have any other amazing tips like this where you save a lot of money for not a ton of work, let us know in the comments, because we all want to know that too. And I way prefer stuff like this than to just clipping coupons and saving 20 cents or 50 cents off something. Blech, that's just life draining. Whereas this gets me excited because then I get Home Depot money. All right, until next time, you've got this, mamas and papas and grandmas and grandpas and aunties and unkies and everybody. See you later. Thanks for watching. Bye.